Road, cradled in between the White River National Forest and mountain adjoining the Keystone Ski Resort, lies Dercum's Dash on the Mountain, a community of exclusive single-family residences. With a surround of activity, it's a welcome surprise to find that Dercum's Dash is tucked away from the commotion. There's hush over the neighborhood that is so private that Keystone barely knows that it exists. A breathtaking, hidden trail with twinkling lights bordering beaver ponds and flowering meadows point you to the base of the ski area. 22 East Trade Court is the first of 24 home sites to be developed at Dercum's Dash on the Mountain. This mountain oasis is up for grabs and could be your home. The home is just under 6,000 square feet and is steps away from the ski slopes at Keystone. This home has been lavishly planned with a mountain elegant design that has Bavarian accents and meticulous attention to detail. The home is 3 stories with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and spaces that are perfect for entertaining. Master finishes include exposed timber trusses, solid alder doors and trim, hand-forged wrought iron balusters, French bleed hickory wood floors, custom distressed glazed cherry cabinets, Wolf, Viking, and Sub-Zero appliances, Oklahoma hand-chiseled stone walls, grain-cut polished travertine, leathered granite, gas fireplaces, and hand-hammered copper sinks. Extra rooms include a wine cellar, a Colorado room, the Great Room, and many more, perfect for entertaining. Right now, I'm walking down the private wooden footbridge that connects Dercum's Dash on the Mountain to the base of River Run. You can see it overlooks a beautiful beaver pond, and the nature out here is just spectacular. The path actually provides you the access that you need to the base of the ski slopes and the activity at Keystone, but also the privacy that Dercum's Dash is so great for. Dercum's Dash on the Mountain was given the last naming rights from the legendary Dercum family, and today it is changing Keystone's real estate forever.